you guys have seen the intro, you have seen the drone shots. This is a beautiful spot, guys. Let's go and see how I catch the, or actually not catch, but get the crabs from the local people catching the crabs right there on the beach of Sanlucar, the Barrameda. Let's go, guys. Meow. So I'm just gonna start the intro right there. I wanted to make a fishing video. Now you've seen the intro where I'm standing at the spot where you will not be able to see me, and you will not be able to see this place right behind me. But now I'm walking on it. This day turned out to be a little bit different. I found a guy who was actually hunting for crabs, and it was so inspiring. It was so inspiring that I actually started to follow him. Because I've never caught and ate a crab myself, I wanted to give it a try. Para probar. This is the location which I wanted to show you. And cheers to that, because in the intro you saw the beautiful shots that were taken here. For now I'm just trying to see if I can see some Spanish mackerel swimming around this place, because the last time I was here I actually saw the Spanish mackerel swimming right in front of me. I think the tide is turning right now, I'm not pretty sure. Oh wait, I can see another guy walking right down there. I don't know what he's doing, but you can always ask him. I think he's looking for clams or something. Let's see what that guy is doing. He's hiding behind the rock. In the meanwhile, I'm just having a look at the water to see if there's some fishes. It's starting to shimmer as well right now. I don't know if that it's a good thing when you're beach fishing, but it's my first time actually fishing on the Spanish beach. Hola, amigo.
Buenas.
Buenas. ¿Es para comer?
¿Eh?
¿Es para comer?
Sí,
¿Sí? ¿Qué es eso?
brejo de pelo.
¿Brejo telo? Oh,
Cangrejo.
oh, es bien, es bien. Es mucho delicioso, ¿no?
Sí, está bueno.
Sí. ¿Es mucho aquí?
Hay algunos, ¿sabes?
¿Cuántos en...?
Llevo
¿Sí?
5 o 6.
5. ¿En cuántos minutos? ¿Horas?
40 minutos por ahí. La pared para allá.
Todo aquí? So he's catching the crabs right there on the side bank, which I did not know there were actually crabs hiding.
Un cigarro por ahí.
¿Qué? ¿Cigar? Sí, sí.
¿Puede? Tengo las manos mojadas. ¿Dónde eres, pared? Dale tú.
Para mí.
Tengo las manos mojadas. Gracias. Thank you.
No problema.
¿Dónde eres tú?
¿Yo soy?
Sí.
Hollandia.
¿Groenlandia?
Hollandia.
¿Groenlandia?
Amsterdam. Holandés.
Ah, Holanda.
Holanda.
Ahí se va, ¿no?
Sí.
Buen bicho.
So it's pretty big crab, guys. I'm pretty sure these guys delicious or no? Sí.
Está muy grande.
Con ayo, aioli,
¿Solo este?
aioli con ayo.
Si tengo más.
Sí, para comer.
Sí, aquí un poco.
Sí, pero con la ¿qué entre ingredientes?
Agua.
Agua.
Water. Salt.
Solo salt y agua.
Calor.
Sí.
Hot.
Is see? So he's cooking the crabs only with salt and water. And this one was pretty big. So next time. Gracias, amigo. Now I don't think there's much here. Well, we can always try. So he's splashing water around these rocks. And probably the crabs will go out once he splashes water around them. Maybe I should... No. Maybe I should ask him to... if I can take one to cook at my home and try it for dinner. Maybe that's a better idea.
Holiday?
No entiendo, amigo.
Holiday?
No, mi vida es en aquí, en la playa.
A la playa.
Sí.
No, hombre, que eso no, lo que yo
Yo
como.
no, es toxicado.
Claro, son otra clase.
Es no, bueno. No.
Son marrones. Los que yo cojo son marrones. De pelo. Eso no. Todo muy chico.
Sí.
Chico.
I'm gonna ask him for a crab. Look, there's also one here. They're pretty much... I think you guys could see them running down. So I'll just let them go first. Because maybe I scare them away. There's not much fish right there, guys. Hopefully that would have been different. Guys, just look at how beautiful this is. It's insane. And normally this part is all under the water. Sick. Now while I'm still walking here, my friend over there is actually catching crabs, putting his heart and effort in it. And I'm the one going to be trying to greet him. I cannot see any big fish. Can see the small fish though. Last time I was here, the fishermen were actually fishing inside and not outside. Now I don't know how long he's been busy trying to catch one or a couple, but maybe he will give me one and then I will try it in the pan and eat it tonight with you guys, that you know my experience of the real Spanish crab. Amigo, ¿es posible yo tienes uno para ti? Uno por mí?
¿Para ti?
¿Es posible?
Sí.
Sí, para comer? Okay, so he says it's possible, so let's go down and get one.
¿Cómo lo va a coger?
Para comer.
¿Dónde lo va a meter?
Sí,
¿Dónde te lo va a meter?
sí, uno.
¿Mochila?
Sí, en mi... Okay, so he's giving me a crab, guys. This is Spanish hospitality.
Hey.
Yeah. So I'm getting a crab, which I will be cooking tonight.
Cuidado que esto muerde.
Sí. Yeah, sí,
Muerdeo.
Sí. Gracias, amigo. So he gave me a crab. This will be my friend. Gracias, amigo.
Ah.
Hasta luego. So I'm gonna be cooking this guy. Buenas noches. Okay, so that was a really kind guy. Now, as you guys can see, got the crab. Guys, I got the crab. He's waiting to be cooked. So I will show you how I prepare the crab. Now I'm not sure which kind of crab it is. He said the black crabs you could not eat, but this one you could not eat. But he said something about this one. So I'm just gonna look it up, and if there's something dangerous about it, or if I have to cook it at a certain temperature. I have no clue what the guy gave me, but we're going to try and eat it. We're going to para probar, om te proberen. We're going to try it out. Para probar. Para probar means actually para probar means to try it out. Para means to, and probar means try it out. So let's go and try it out. Let's take our little homie. Let's take our little homie and eat him on my plate. Hopefully this guy will be delicious. I did not buy any food for in the evening or morning, so only the experience. This will be enough. I have some bread at home, some sauces. You know what we do. Let's go and get to the cooking. Anyways, if you did not subscribe to the channel, subscribe, because we're going to see a lot of more crazy things like this, guys. Now I'm not pretty sure what he said. Probably that I could not eat the pinchers or something in the body, but I will check it out. And let's go and prepare this little crab. It will be my evening meal for tonight, guys. So basically what I did, you wanted a cigarette, I wanted the crab. You asked me for a cigarette, I asked you for a crab. You know, that's how life goes. I'm just joking, guys, but that doesn't change anything to the thing that I got a crab in my back. I got the crab. So I'm getting an look, amigo. Es aquí, es uno en otro. So I'm getting another crab. I just walked here. ¿Es para mí?
Siempre.
¿Es para comer?
Claro.
Sí, es bien.
Y este también.
¿Es bien aquí?
Claro, también. Es bueno. Este es bueno para comer.
Es para un otro, amigo.
Este vale para comer, claro.
Sí.
Los dos.
So just got another crab.
Coge la agüita, agüita. La pone a calentar el agüita, que cuando empiece ya ella a hervir.
Es bien, sí.
Amigo,
gracias.
Como de cocción unos 6-7 minutitos, nada más.
¿En la oil? ¿En oil?
Sí.
¿Sí? ¿En frito?
No, frito no.
¿Frito no?
No, en el agua.
¿Solo agua?
Solo agua. Cuando empiece a hervir el agua, le echo un puñadito de sal.
¿Solo sal?
Un poquito de sal, y una vez que esté hirviendo, lo echa el cangrejo. Y
sí,
le da de unos 6-7 minutos.
Solo 6 minutos.
6 minutos.
Sí. Okay, so I just got another crab, guys. Gracias, amigo. So I actually was at the full end of there, and that's where the guy gave me another crab when I came in, right on this place. So this man also, I think this man was it, casting his net there, trying to catch something. But now, guys, now I have 2 crabs. Look at it. And they're probably scared, I know, I understand. I would be scared as well when I'm going to I would be scared as well when I would get eaten by a crazy Dutch guy. Okay, guys, so that turned out to be a different day than I actually was expecting to record. Right on the beach here in Sanlucar, the Barrameda. The Barrameda, I guess that's how you pronounce it. Anyways, I got 2 crabs. I'm going to prepare them. They say boil them in water. If you like the video, if you love to see me cooking the crab in my small apartment, which I'm currently staying at, and you can watch the next part. Hopefully guys, you enjoyed the video. I think I've enjoyed it even more. I do only record these videos for my own purpose, to see what exactly happened in my life, and to be able to record back on what happened on a single day. And this is exactly, guys, what happened today. I got 2 different crabs, and I'm going to prepare them with a little bit of water. And just a little bit of salt, like they told me. Need to kill them fast, because I don't like cooking animals alive. I'm not that kind of guy. Look, he's even hiding behind the water bottle, so he's pretty scared for sure. He's really scared. So I'm not going to cook that animal alive. So I turn them around. I think this is the best and most humane way. But these are the crabs which we are going to be cooking. As I just showed in another shot, this is the pan, which is the boiling pan, which has been made available by the host. Obviously I'm not going to be using that one, because I bought this one and another one, and I also got some others with me. So I'm gonna just be trying to get this water to boil, add some salt to it like the local suggested, and then we will try it out how it tastes. They're pretty hairy. This guy is pretty hairy, but they said the pinchers are really tasty. Now I'm not sure if the rest of the body was, but he wants to get cooked, my friend. Let's try and cook these guys up. Let's add some salt to it. Just bought some salt. Let's add it to the pan, boil them up. I don't know, I think around 3 or 4 grams of salt maybe, I'm not sure. I did not look anything up, so. On the eye, I think this, around this. If it gets mixed in, this will be pretty salty, by the way. I need to add some more water. So around this, I guess. Alright guys, so the crab should be done, I guess. There's a lot of yellow stuff. So first I'm going to let them cool off for a second. This guy is pretty hairy. They are pretty hot. Hopefully they're hot enough. Take your last few at the world, my friend. Because this will be your last few before I eat you. And I will see you guys on the next one. Subscribe.